Hey everyone, this is Zen, licensed acupuncturist and founder of Healing with Zen. This is my basic tapping video. Now I'm going to show you the entire sequence first, then I'll break it down and we'll go through it again at the end, okay? The rhythm is a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like a waltz. You can go however fast or slow you want. Faster usually is if you're trying to focus and get more energized. Slower if you want to relax. So most of the time I would say slower is probably going to be better. You just do a 1, 2, 3, and you can tap a little bit slightly heavier on 1. The second thing is you want to try to use all 5 fingers in the points. So if you're starting with the top, you want to try to get all 5 fingers on that area. Third thing is you want to keep your mouth relaxed and open. You don't want to clench, and you can let out a sound when you do it. Letting out a sound really helps stimulate the vagus nerve to calm it down. So having any kind of sound come out is great. Doesn't matter if it's a high pitch or a low pitch, or if it sounds like me at all, whatever feels good for you that day and time. So let out that noise, okay? So let's just go through the different placements. The first one is the top of the head, and you're going to try to use all 5 fingers in a line on the top of the head. And you're just going to tap 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The second area is right above the eyebrows. You're going to use all 5 fingers and just rest it here. The thumb is going to be closer to the side of the temples. Just make sure all the fingers are touching. So you just go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then the next point is on the outside of the eyes. Once again, take all 5 fingers to touch. The next one is behind the head. You're going to use your back of the hand like a karate chop, and it's just by the base of where the bony ridge of the head sticks out. You're going to cover quite a bit of area, and it doesn't have to be so exact. You're just trying to get to the base of the occipital region. The next area is going to be under your eyes and the cheekbones, and you want to use 5 fingers again, kind of in a line like this. Then it's above the mouth. You're going to use all 5 fingers. The thumb is closer to the outside of your mouth, so you're just tapping. You kind of want to get into the gum area. Same with the lower. All 5 fingers. Then you're going to go to the collarbone. Collarbone, there should be a little divot right here. It should feel good to just press in that area with the 5 fingers. Then you're going to go to the sides, and the sides you're going to use your hands, the thumb area. So I'm going to stand up. So you're going to go to the side using your thumb, And however high you can get, that's where you want to press. Next is your wrist. You're going to get to the center of the wrist together. You're covering quite a bit of area. Tap together. Then you're going to use the hands, the whole index and thumb area. You want it to be touching each other. So you're just going to go like this. Then we're going to go to the pinky. The whole pinky area is going to touch. And then you're just going to bring it together at the end. This is to seal, to connect the left and right side together. Okay, so let's just try to do all of it together. And that's it. You should try to do the tapping 4 times a day. A good time to do it is before supplements, before eating food, on the toilet, if you tend to feel constipated or have a difficult time, before you sleep, or before after any kind of stressful incident. I hope this was helpful. I did record a couple other nervous system techniques, the butterfly and the crossover, so look for that video and let me know which technique works best for you. Happy tapping.